Picture this. You're sipping on your favorite latte, tapping away on your laptop, and catching up on your finances. It's a regular day in the rhythm of your digital existence. Yet, hidden within the complex mesh of your online activity, a danger lurks. An unseen predator invisible to the unaided eye, a digital thief skilled in cyber deception and identity theft. This cyber criminal, armed with tools of deception and intrusion, is a silent stalker in the vast digital wilderness. They patiently wait, ready to pounce and exploit any fractures in your digital defenses. Their aim? To plunder your hard-earned savings and leave chaos in their wake. They can tarnish your credit reputation, cause financial instability, and disrupt your life. These shadowy figures operate subtly, often leaving no sign until it's too late. A sobering thought, isn't it? Yet, don't let this fear immobilize you. Fear has two meanings. Forget everything and run, or face everything and rise. With awareness and vigilance, you can shield yourself from their harmful intentions. So don't let fear dominate you. Instead, let it fuel your determination to secure your digital world. Fear not, because today we're diving headfirst into the world of identity theft and how you can armor up your finances against these cyber crooks. First things first, let's talk about how these sneaky thieves operate. Identity theft is a high-tech crime that begins when someone gains unauthorized access to your personal data, like your social security number or account details. The criminals behind this are cyber corporates, masters of deceit who trick you to make savings vanish. Ever wondered how they acquire your data? The methods are numerous and cunning. Often, they'll send a phishing email, masquerading as an urgent note from your bank. You're asked to update your account details or click a link to confirm your identity. It's ploy to make you unknowingly surrender your information. Alternatively, they might clone a website identical to your go-to online store. You log in, provide payment specifics, and shop, oblivious that the site is a hoax. You'll be waiting indefinitely for your ordered goods while they have your credit card details. Other times, they might directly hack databases, storing personal data, or install malware on your computer. Even traditional methods like dumpster diving, searching your trash for discarded documents, are used. Once they have your personal information, they can misuse it for fraudulent activities. They might take out loans or even file false tax returns. It's a scary thought, but knowing how it happens is the first step to defend yourself. One wrong click, and you've unwittingly handed over the keys to your financial kingdom. But don't worry. In the next scene, we'll explore the steps you can take to protect yourself from identity theft. Now, on to the good stuff. How to protect yourself against these cyber marauders. Let's delve into some strategies. First, consider a paper shredder. It's a simple tool, but effective against identity theft. Documents with personal information, like bills or mail with your name and address, shred them. This can save you a lot of trouble. Now, let's move on to the digital world, starting with passwords. They're your virtual bodyguards. Time to strengthen them. Avoid using easily guessable information, like your pet's name or your birthday. Opt for a complex and unique password. Combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. More complex, the better. Concerned about remembering all these passwords? This is where password managers come in. They securely store and manage your passwords, acting like a digital vault. Next, we'll talk about credit reports. They detail your credit history, including loans, credit cards, and late payments. You can request a free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Review them for any suspicious activity, like unfamiliar credit cards or purchases. If you find anything unusual, report it immediately. You might also consider credit monitoring services. They monitor your credit reports and alert you to any changes. Some even offer identity theft insurance. Dealing with identity theft might seem daunting, but by being proactive and vigilant, you can protect your personal information. Remember, the goal is to live informed, not in fear. By understanding how identity theft happens and how you can protect yourself, you're taking a stand against these digital thieves. It could be the difference between catching identity theft in its tracks or being left to pick up the pieces after the fact. And let's not forget about the importance of staying safe online. As we increasingly embrace the digital world, maintaining your online security becomes a necessity, not a mere luxury. Each online activity leaves a trail of digital footprints that cyber thieves are ready to follow. To shield yourself, equip your devices with the latest antivirus software, which acts as a digital safeguard, detecting and combating threats before they wreak havoc. Even if you think you don't visit unsafe websites, you're not entirely safe. Cybercriminals are advancing, infiltrating even the most trusted sites. A single infected download or malicious link click can expose your device and personal info to these digital marauders. Antivirus software is your initial defense line, but why limit there? Enhance your protection with a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN establishes a secure, encrypted connection between your device and the internet, preventing hackers from intercepting your data. Nonetheless, all VPNs are not equally effective. Some might trade your data with advertisers, while others may lack strong encryption. Thus, be thorough in your selection. Choose a VPN with a strong privacy protection reputation and high-level encryption standards. To summarize, for online safety, you need to 1. Regularly update your antivirus software to counter the latest threats. 2. Utilize a trustworthy to encrypt and hide your data and online activities. By following these steps, you can surf the web with peace of mind, knowing that your personal information is safely locked away from cybercriminals. Last but certainly not least, don't hesitate to reach out for help if you suspect you've fallen victim to identity theft. Immediate action is vital. First, inform your bank or credit card company requesting a hold on your accounts. Report to the Federal Trade Commission. They'll guide you through a recovery plan. Lastly, place a fraud alert on your credit files with Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. The sooner you take action, the better chance you have of minimizing the damage and reclaiming control of your finances. And there you have it, folks. A crash course in safeguarding your finances from identity theft. Cyber thieves steal your personal information, but you can protect yourself. Shred documents, make strong monitor your credit report. Online safety is key. Use reliable antivirus software and a VPN. If targeted, immediate action. Knowledge is your weapon against these digital thieves. Stay informed and vigilant. This is your host, George Asigo, signing off.